Welcome to the Golf Spotlight. I'm Ralph Irvin, and today we are talking about the new wedges from the folks at COBRA. And believe me, this isn't just about a wedge design. This is groundbreaking stuff here. And tell us all about it is the Vice President of R&D with COBRA. That is Tom Olszewski. Tom, thanks for joining us again.
Ralph, it's always great to talk with you.
You have the new MIM wedges, metal injected molding. This is a whole new process of really building a golf club.
Yeah, metal injection molding has been used in golf, but usually everybody uses it for their tungsten weights. We all do that. But we looked at it from a different standpoint is when you think about making a wedge, it's a very precise product, particularly the shape. You want great feel, and metal injection molding is great for that. So that was the goals of the product. Let's take this technology because we know it's the next level of the industry, how we're going to make clubs in the future. And COBRA has led a lot of those innovations over the years.
And when you do this, what essentially you're doing is creating a club that's going to come out more precise from the beginning, which means that club to club, it's going to be consistent.
There was always the traditional challenges of how do we cast and forge and all those supply chains, if you will. They're a little bit longer. They take a lot of work, a lot of development, a lot of engineering time. When we looked at this process, the metal injection molding, because we had been doing it for weights, it's very precise. And outside of golf, it's used in things that are also very precise, things like gears, small gears that go in, whether it's automotive applications or other industrial uses, that are very precise. So we said, hey, a great marriage of technologies. Because now we can take it into a mold and get it down to a very fine shape, and then we actually go and robotically polish these. So that's another next step that we've been looking at for a number of years because we want to make every wedge consistent and get the shaped out and just perfect.
And then you have a new innovation as well in terms of how you have the grooves.
Exactly. We've been milling the grooves. Now, we still mill the grooves now because one of the things that we've learned in MIM processing is it isn't great for things that are extremely fine, like grooves that you have to go and sharpen and cut into the surface. So that's changed. But really, the result is going to be a feel that's softer than any wedge out there. We use 304, and 304 is comparable to most cast or forged alloys from a material standpoint. But the MIM process allows us to take it to a higher temperature and sintering, and then take that down to get a softer feel. So that's really key when you think about wedges. Players want better feel. They want that softer feel for those touch shots. So we have a great precise wedge, and it's a better feel.
In terms of the CNC milling, you have an all-new pattern that's circular on the club face.
Yeah, we've used our variable face roughness idea and changed that a little bit to help the way the wedge looks, the way it performs, and the way it grabs the ball. And that's all critical in terms of precise performance that you need in your wedges.
Now, if people want more information about everything that's gone on to these wedges and really everything about this process, where do they go?
They go CobraPumaGolf.com.
All right, Tom, thanks for taking the time to join us.
Great, Ralph.
I want to thank Tom Olszewski for joining us here on the Golf Spotlight. Join us next time as we continue to give you the information that you need for your next golf purchase.